So firstly, we put in levels, which are going to be 1, 2, 3 here. All this here, that's one level done. Starting on daily as well. One level there. 2, so we got here, yeah. First we higher up to get the most in there. All of that level comes into play. It's a bit of a wishy-washy level, but it does sanctify the point where here. That's 2 levels there. Where else do we have a level? Nothing there. Yeah, that's all I can see on daily, to be honest. And levels. Now cluster. So we've got so this is a cluster. So the candle which initiated the move up. So this candle made one move up here, this candle 2, this candle here, up here, this cluster of candles 1, 2, 3, 4 move up. So even though there's one level there, the cluster is how many candles made that move to go up. So yeah, so even though this is 1, 2, 3 touches, but ultimately it's 3 cluster touches to go up, right? That's the first thing. I'm gonna put it by the initial candle here to finesse the move. That's my place to put it anyway. After that, do we have a trend line in place? So trend line, we have a weekly trend line, yes, but for now the only trend I can see is going to be there. Downward trend, 1, 2 downward trend here. That's one done. And then after that, what do we have? Do we have any? If I move this line out a bit, is this a channel or what is this channel? So nope, no, no, not channel at all. So that's it done, yeah. And after that, no wedges, no channel, no wedges at all. That's fine. Do we have an SFP break below? Yes, we do. So this SFP has happened here. So what SFP is I'll show you now. So settings, coordinates, Control and C. Okay, so let's say this low here, right? The candle has to pierce it, which is done here. So a break. So this candle here has broke below it, below this one here, and it's closed above it. So this is the lowest point here. It's broken it, right? And it's closed here, right? So that's what an SFP is. It's not candle orientated. It's just a ruling. So it's a break below and a close above. The safety point is going to be if the next candle, which is here, or these candles here, close below this one here. If the candle closes below this candle here, then it invalidates the SFP. So it's a swing failure pattern, that's all it is. So this swing fails to go lower until it goes higher up. So in a sense, this pattern is still viable to go. Right? So right now we are in a downtrend, from what I can tell here, right? But cheekily, I'm going to go to weekly. So we are in an uptrend as well. So that's the trend line I was looking for, to be honest with you. That's the trend line right there. So we are in an uptrend ultimately in the weekly. So I'll go to daily here, visibility done. If I do that there. So ultimately, what you can see is we are in a bigger channel, Right, we are in an uptrend of a bigger channel, but right now we are in a pullback. So this pullback is to go down. So my fib now is gonna go. If I was to put my fib to get a clear picture, less legs from this low to this high. That's a level I want to play with. This high, this low to this high, right? On a particular in between here, right? So what I do is just to get a bit more clarity. Is this is my little technique. So don't go too far back. That's what I've learned. Don't go too far back. It stings me otherwise. So I was gonna go up to this candle here, because once I go on daily and finesse this level, then no, a bit more lower. Got nothing there. So put that in red. Go to the daily level. No, it's not. Let's be true to the strategy. It's a weekly level. Right. Not too far down. Because audio has reacted from it. That's what I'm going with right now. So touch. We're there. So that's what we got right now. So even it's happened. So that's where we are going. So we are going to be going. So I'm looking to go up. EMAs are looking to go down. So EMAs and higher time frames are going to be going down. So that's an interesting one, because the premise itself is to go up. This leg is to go down. Struck the. If I was going to put a trend from here to here, it has gone down. So this weekly level has been touched as well, and it's gone up. So let's just see now. That's all I can see right now. So now we're on to H4. Right. On the H4 time frame, we have got this level here. There. Finessed it here, touched all that, and touched all that. But I don't go too far back. I like recency. That's the ruling of the level. I like recency. There's no recency, I'm not really fussed with it. There. 1, 2, 3. What I'm gonna do as well, I'm gonna put this off for now, just because it gets confusing otherwise for me. Right. Once my analysis is fully done, then I can start putting on other stuff. The Fibbo level, for example. See, touched it here, so it's reacting to go up. And what I can do is something like this. There. Also, one, two. So from what I can tell now is from this high to this low, so in between here. What I'm gonna do for that, I'm gonna go to daily and just get me a full leg Fibbo, a more clearer high to low in between here on the level. So I'm gonna get this off here for now. Just do any colors to identify what I need to identify. gonna finesse this on the 4 hour as I've done. So right now, that's what it looks like on my time frames. So comes down here, I want to go down. Also, I'm gonna do as well, put this back on 2. Now go to H1. Now we're scoping for an entry now. Right. Now we are scoping for an one more thing on the H4 before I do forget. Okay. Good call. So right now I've got the trend line in, got trend lines in, patterns in. Can I use this trend line somewhere else? No, I can't. Tried it out already. Wedges, channels, SFP, still activity there. SFP another week, that's fine. Could go to the move down. Are we gonna wake up wait? Okay, the bigger one's here, but it is a small one to here. So this could come onto here just to come down. The deepness of it, because right now, daily 4 hour clusters to come down, both to come down. Inverse last. So up to down, down, down. And also we've got, so we are going to come down. So my trend is going to be from here just to come down. Okay. Do we have any hourly levels or not? I want the cleanest level, that's all I care about. So there. All up there. I'm going to do it as well. Can't really find the cluster, but I guess I can. If you can't find it, it's not there. Have to find the cluster, and because it's in a thingy, done. But I doubt it's gonna go so high up. That's just me. But I'm always gonna be drawing stuff in just to make a pattern, just to see where price can go. Right. So that's me right now. So my entry is gonna be here. Right, let's just see if it plays out. So let's just see if market gets to there firstly. See, that's just very interesting. That's an entry there, but can price actually, is there a move from here to there firstly? That's a question to ask myself. She didn't. Great, you're clever, aren't you? So now here to here, it's not gonna go straight away there for us. So could this be the level from here to here? Pull back to go up to down. It's not really the cleanest, is it? But you've got 1, 2, 3. Damn! How did I not see this cluster? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 touch inverse last just to break and retest it. Okay. The full leg would be from here to around here. This is going to be a what's the premise? It's come from a weekly time frame, daily SFP'd. It's got a H4 trend line, H1 cluster, H1 entry. Wake off saying it's going to come to here, kind of, with a broken structure to come higher up. It has come into it to go up to it. It's not going to go straight towards it like that, so it's fine. So this doesn't need to be here because it's not of a time frame. Oh, so this doesn't need to be here. That can be to there, done. So that's where we are in this moment in time. The cleanest of levels have been touched upon. So yeah. and we do have this hours as Tom says as a first trouble. I don't think it's a first trouble area, personally speaking. I think I should blast straight through it. Oh, so let's just see. So the premise is met. So the aim is up to here. Still in the trade, but it's broken that trend line. Great, it's not really good, is it? I don't think that's the right entry for this trade, so let's get out of the trade. We're still in it, which is fine. Is it going to retest that? Now it could come back into the trade, yeah. Just to take out that there. Still targeting this. Inputs. See, my thing is now, yeah, this line is now broken. So me keep on, see, this trend line is broken, right? It's quite a key trend line break, retest to go lower, right? But look, at the same time, it's still holding in quite nicely. So is it going to go up or down? Daily still saying it's going to go down heavily as well. Visibility, don't get that there. Don't get this here. Let's see what daily is doing. Done this daily. That's where we are right now. Daily saying it's going to go lower. Daily saying it's going to go lower, whereas H4 says it's going to go lower as well because it's broken this key trend line. Okay, then maybe it's going to go lower. And maybe my entry is wrong. But it's reacting from a weekly level and experiences say, okay, let's just get this trade. Let's just see what's going to happen. See, right now, I don't know what. That's all I've got right now in this particular trade. Shit, no, it's going down. It's got to here, down, resistance. Is the SFP still holding? Look up here. There, just because of that. There. Done the trade. Luckily I clocked that line breaking, you know. That was a key for me. This trend line breaking. Once I broke, I had an idea, but yeah, I didn't really expect it to thingy, but that's alright.